Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first let's open settings, then we go to the system section, then we go to the reset options and select the last option, erase all data, factory reset. Then tap erase all data, then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.